Logit splits its maintenance module into two main areas: reactive maintenance and planned maintenance. Reactive maintenance is broken into three steps. The first step, the maintenance request. Any user in your business can have access to this regardless if they've got a company email or if they're simply a PIN user. For the user to raise a request, all they have to do is click maintenance requests and add. Enter the location and enter the request category, and they're presented with a simple form. This form is built by you with your own specifications, however in this case it's just request title and then the location or the area of the issue. They'll now be prompted to leave a comment, and then add an image either directly from the camera or upload from the file. Clicking submit now sends this off to the maintenance manager for the triage, where the maintenance manager now has complete visibility over all the maintenance requests raised within the business. Given a high level overview in a tile system allows them to leave comments, update the information progress and drill directly into the request, now viewing the specific details in the location and having visibility of the comment and the image directly within the request. From here they can decide to raise an action and prioritise this, delegate it out to the correct member of the team and copy the information across directly to the action point, so the engineer will have all the relevant information prepared as they arrive on site to complete the maintenance request. The engineer now has the ability to view all actions that's been delegated to them and then start the progress as required, being able to leave additional comments and add more images, and being able to update the status as the progress continues to alert all relevant parties within the request, providing a seamless end-to-end process from request through to completion with increased visibility and reduction in time for resolve. For your planned maintenance needs, you'll be able to build a list of asset groups and assign a range of assets connected to them, including any detail required such as timeframes and warranties, which now allows us to utilise calendars and smartboards and associate asset records directly to the dates required. The calendars can be built in many formats, allowing you to see specific details at specific times and then allocate these out to certain users. The calendars can have comments, progress points and an overview of the asset itself, as well as preventative maintenance. Other areas such as compliance, contracts, warranties can all be built around your business needs. The maintenance boards now allow us to see a certain level of tasks required and instantly delegate these out to several members of the team within one click of a button. We can quickly review the delegation, given the total number of tasks to each member of the team. Within the asset records, we now have the ability to drill into a record that's been associated to the asset with a complete breakdown of all the information required. And with endless amounts of reporting, you'll be able to track your performance instantly by utilising the filters directly on screen, and the additional feature to be able to schedule this directly to your inbox at a frequency that suits you. Just leave it to Logit to take the pain out of the process and let us alert you when something needs actioned.